Okay, this is my first request video. This is from Jack Stembridge asking, how do I quit Logic Pro X? Well, Jack, I'm glad you asked. The first thing you have to do before you quit your project is make sure you consolidate the project, which means gather all of the files that are used in it within that save file. So that means you'll be able to submit it or move it from one computer to another. So to do that, you go on File, Project Management, Consolidate, and then you tick all the relevant boxes. Audio files, if you've dragged in audio files or downloaded some from the internet or recorded your own. EXS instruments are samples or samplers. Alchemy is a type of synthesizer. Ultrabeat is another one. Space Designer is the reverb unit inside Logic. And the Apple Sound library content is any loops you might have used from the Apple library. So tick all the relevant boxes and then press OK. You should get a dialog box comes up saying consolidated project successfully. Once that's done, then you can quit Logic. And to do that, there's two ways. You can press Command Quit, or you can go Logic Pro X, quit Logic Pro X. Ta-da!